Hey everyone, hi, welcome back once again. So in this one, we are going to talk about the hoop of a new app, which basically helps you to round up to nearest cents. So let's say 0.05, 0.5, or even 0.1, or let's say 1, or even any custom value. It helps you, and not only that, it also helps you to create multiple roundups. And thirdly, the very main point, it helps you to round up and round down also. So when I say round down, it's currently in beta feature, so it only applies one without access. So what I will do is I will just show you a very quick demo of this application before you make your mind. So very first thing, how to add the app. You have to click on this add tile, you have to click on the app, and then you have to click on the round hoop, and that's it. You have to click on the round hoop or hoop extension and click on add. So I've already, since I've added it, I will just go back to the app. So here what I do is, if you see one thing, as soon as the roundups which you have created will automatically show up here. So instead of every time you have to click on this, you don't have to do that. You have to only click on this and it will automatically apply the roundup for you. So what I will do is, let me just show you the app interface very quick, so you can just understand how things are working. So let's say currently I've created only two roundups. One is 0.05 and then is 0.5, and automatically it will, I have applied currently this roundup on my subtotal. So usually it can be your what I say, grand total also. So I will just show you what options we provide. So this tile title is nothing but the title which you just saw on the screen, on my, which was coming on my home screen. And previously it was a select bar, but we have changes to custom value so that you can update multiple values for it. And then we have the rounding type, whether you want to do round up to nearest cents, or whether you want to round down to nearest cents. So this is also a new feature which we have added. Now coming back here, so let's say if you want to round up based upon subtotal or grand total, it will, you can just select here. So grand total is nothing but the total price which you have added, plus the taxes, but the subtotal is only the price of the products which you have included. So I just want to show a demo on this very quick. So what I do here is I click on save. um, so it will automatically update whatever features I've updated. And if you see this active is false, so that is the reason in my home screen you may see only one card. But also one thing, let's say if you want to create one roundup, how you can do is you can click on this create, and you can just fill this up and you can save it. Now also if you want to disable this, so let's say if I want to enable this, I will just click on this enable and I will hit save. Automatically in, it will show the active is true, and this winter 2024 roundup will come up on my screen. But I just want to disable it and I will click save. So yeah, let's get back to the main video which I was working. So let's say currently it's applied on my subtotal and it's active and it's 0.05. So what I do, uh, as soon as I click on this, as you can see, subtotal rounded up by 123 to nearest 0.05, that is 1.47. It will automatically show you, and if you click on this it will automatically remove the tile. And if you want, if you click on this again, it will automatically round up for you. So if I can just show you, it has made my subtotal to 1.25, since I've selected subtotal, so it's only rounding up my subtotal, remember that. And if I've selected grand total, so it will round up my this value. Okay, so what I do here is I click on cancel, I remove this, and now what I do is I update some value. Now there is one more thing which I want to talk about. So let's say instead of 0.05, um now let me just select some other value. So now I want to show you how to actually update. So there might be some times, let's say I've updated to 0.5, and I will select grand total this time. Now there are times, guys, as soon, if you remember, once you hit save, relaunch the app to fetch the latest data for roundup. So this is actually very recommended. So what happens is currently we don't have a way to communicate from tiles to, you know, the app, due to some Shopify limitations. But yeah, there are ways to fix it up for you. So what you have to do, you have to click on save. So best way, as I said, uh, you have to click on save, close this. So as you can see, the things aren't reflected, right? You can just close this app and restart, it will come up. But that there is the other way which I have done just for you. You have to just click on this after updating any fields and just close it. Automatically whatever you updated will automatically update. So as you can see, it turned from 0.05 to 0.5. Now if I click on this, automatically it says grand total updated to 1.5. Now if I click on this, it has made my grand total as 1.5. So it's automatically adding this for you. Now coming back, this was all about the rounding up. Now you might ask how the round down works, right? So what I do is, I will just select this whole round up again. So round down is a very new feature which I don't think any application is actually providing right now, but this is still in what I say development. So please bear with me up in this. So what I do, uh, I will tell you what is the main thing, why I'm a little hesitant to come up with this feature, but yeah, it might help for the ones who need. So like let's say I've done this time round down and I've selected um, yeah, grand total. Now here the problem is, uh, now if I okay, now nothing is there in my cart. Now if I click on this grand total, okay, I think I have to click on this to refresh the data, you remember, right? And then let me just remove everything again. Now if I click on this, it will be now round down. But now if you see, rounding down can be applied, it says it can't be applied without taxes in the cart. So if this error comes, what we have to do is, so this rounding down feature is only applicable for the stores who doesn't have any taxes. So now if I do a round, if I have disabled my taxes, if I try to rounding down, it has changed my count value to 1. Now how it has done is it will automatically apply a discount for you. It will do all the calculation for you, and it will apply to your cart, and that's it. So this is something new. Please let us know how you like it. Please rate us. So there was initially I was little inactive, due to which yeah, like we didn't got some good review on this, but yeah, I'm back on this application. Do let me know if you need any improvement. I will update this. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.